is 8:42 a.m. in the morning here at Eastern Standard Time. I want to thank each and every one of you who took that minute to be in the live stream with me today. Love you so much. I'm here every day. Come on, check in on us. Most asked question of any live streams outside with nature. If they don't tell you where they are, this is what you get. I cannot give the exact name of the state or the river. There's been some scary people coming around. I don't want that happen anymore. So we do not give out the name of the state or the river. And that way I don't have to worry too much about uninvited guests. Hey, Froggy. Hey, Froggy. How deep is the water? Knee deep. Knee deep. All right, you little guys out there, I hope you like my Froggy coming in sometimes. I know. We got to break it up for the kids, too. It's a wonderful, wonderful live stream that I have created here with this amazing community. They come in as young as 18 months old, and I had an 85-year-old lady celebrate her birthday right here on Lady Hawk Live. Thank you for 76,000 taps. Awesome, awesome, awesome. All right, guys, I'm going to work my way out of the river for a little while. We're going to go up to the brook. We're going to check out, see if that heron's up there fishing for breakfast. Check out what the water level's doing. Yeah, let's go up there for a few minutes, and I'll bet you we're going to see some ice up in there. I'll be back to the river. We're going to stay in the water. I'll be in the water most of the day. I love the water, being in the water, because the point of view in the water is so much better than standing on the bank. It's all about POV. All right, slow and easy getting out of here. 710-420. Thank you, Stephen, for sending that heart. It is a very cold morning here, very cold. Thank you, Nicholas. Hey, Nicholas knows. He knows when it's time to bring in that hot coffee. Thank you, Nicholas, for sharing the love. Mwah, love you right back. It is very cold here, but I'm dressed for it. I have little heating pads in my boots. I have, what do you call them? Heated gloves. I wear 4 layers of clothes underneath my parka. And I'm ready. I'm ready to take it on. Thank you, Rena. Thank you. I love this view right here of the brook. Nancy, so nice to give that paper crane. I love the origami. Thank you, Nancy. Big kiss. Mwah. Thank you, Lisa. Thank you for the love. Jess's Craft for the follow. Hey, Jess's, get that big kiss for follows. Mwah, love you already. For the heartbeat, Jess. Thank you. Thank you, Selma. Thank you, Nicholas. See, we got ice. The ice is back. Oh my gosh. Patrick, thank you. Thank you so much for showing that love. Good morning, everyone. It is an amazing morning here. Thank you for the donut. Some beautiful people in the stream today. I love you guys so much. I do see some ice around. Let's go see if we can catch that ice catching the sun. internet girl. Thank you. Thank you, Hanbo. Kanji, come on in, Kanji. TikTok love XO eating the fishing crackers. There you go. That's the breakfast. There are fish in this river and brook. There's salmon and trout. We did catch the heron 2 days in a row back in this area, the brook area, catching his morning breakfast. The brook level of water has dropped dramatically. We haven't had any rain in about a week now, so the water will start to recede. We did have a huge surge this year from the snowmelt coming down from the mountain, cresting river for days. Pray Marie, good morning to you. Ross 86816, thank you. Nura, thank you, thank you. Who was that said goldfish swimming in my mouth? We're headed to the wishing pool. We're going to make a wish. Has anybody's wishes come true from the wishing pool? I have a couple of ladies who said, oh my gosh, what I wished for came right to me. It had to be the wishing pool. I don't know. Let's go do a wish. I'm going to do the true or false on the noontime pop-up stream today. I will be back 11:30 to 1:30. I do a stream on Wednesdays, that big old hump day. Get you through the rest of your work day. We will do it. We'll keep you low and slow and easy. And good morning, everyone. It's been an amazing morning so far. I'm so happy to see so many beautiful people. Always, always. All of these red rocks here, this is a riverbed or a stream bed that picks up the extra water when it starts to come down the mountain with the snow melt. And they're all dry again now, so that's definitely a sign that the snow's gone on the mountain. We have to find a stone. We have to find a stone. Shadow reveal. There you go. I look like a snowman with my parka on. All right, I'm not focusing today. What's up with that? All right, a rock, a stone. Let's go. We got to have the right size. Perfect. Perfect. All right, we got it. Thank you, Julia, for stepping in. Pete, thank you. This is the pool. This is the legendary wishing pool here. I'm going to get in the pool to make the wish today. It's so much more beautiful inside the water. Let's do it. Jeannie, thank you for stepping in. All right, I'm getting there. Very shallow in some parts here. It's almost to the top dry. Look at that, so shallow. This is where I found 2 arrowheads. I have an arrowhead collection, and I found 2 of them in here. Some people say there's gold in here too. You can pan for gold in this area. I've never done it, but I have some friends who have panned for gold, and I'll tell you what, you sit there all day and you swish that sand in the pan. And then you get enough gold to maybe go to McDonald's. You're not going to get rich. It takes a long time to get a little bit. All right, this is how the wishing pool works. I don't know when, but a long time ago, somebody decided that this river, or this pool right here, has special properties in it. Magic. All right. It's an imagination thing, guys. Just roll with me here. You get a wish in your mind. Do it right now. No bad wishes. Something that's going to make you happy and others happy. Just like when you blow out the candles on your birthday cake. Same kind of deal. All right, I throw the rock in, and the wake that the rock creates when it goes in has special purposes. On the count of 3, 2, 1, I am tripping it up today. On the count of 3, 2, 1, we are going to throw that rock in with your wishes. Are you ready? 3, 2, and... Oh my gosh, got myself wet today. All right, those wishes are in that brook now. Yes, they are. Some imagination. What did I say? They're in the brook. They're going down to the river. And the river will carry those wishes to the Long Island Sound and then into the Atlantic Ocean. And that is where it is said those wishes come true. That is the legend of the wishing pool. I wish every day for the same thing, and I will continue to wish for the same thing every day of my life. I look around at the chaos, and I just want to bring the calm. I'd like the world to be in peace. I really would. No more violence, no more hate. Just learning how to love each other. That's my wish. I don't know if I'll ever see it, but I'm hopeful. I know I am a dreamer. But I'm not the only one. All right, I have one more view I want to show you up here, and then we're going to head back down to the river. The river is just so beautiful. I'm going to try and catch as much of that as I can today. It is amazing. Barbara Heberling for the follow. Barbara. Followers get that big kiss. Mwah. Thank you for following, and love you already, Barbara. Buenos dias. Elvira Ruiz, thank you so much, Elvira. Buenos dias, muchas gracias, mi amigo. Oh, just in Panama. I see. ¿Dónde est? Thank you, Ross, Kansas City, Missouri. Thank you, Janelle, New Jersey. All right, you guys, got you. Hey, Ross, I was born in Kansas, and that's where I grew up, in Kansas. The state capital, you know where that is, right? morning, Doyle. Good morning. Oleg Leon for the follow. Big kisses. Mwah. Thank you for the follow, and I love you already. And good morning, everyone. Good morning to you. Afternoon or evening, whatever it is. I haven't given a shout out to my people in Australia. I do have some Australians in now. It is very, very late into the night, actually, in Australia. I have people who come in from Brisbane and Melbourne and Perth, from Adelaide and Sydney, Gold Coast. I have a couple of insomniacs that DM me. They said they can't sleep until they hear Lady Hawk. Sleep magic. Good night, sweet dreams to all of my Aussie friends. I got a bomb with an ASS and a witch. Follow for the follow. Thank you so much, Bomb. I love the little looser name. I try not to do the any kind of, you know what those words with the little ones. I don't want to be the one to teach the little ones those words. But I love the username. Thank you so much for the follow. Big kisses for that follow. Mwah. Love you already. I do. Laura, bringing in some cake. Thank you.